Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on GRDO Incorporated, ticker symbol GRDO. Did this one a few days ago, and want to get it back updated because it's made new highs, and whenever charts do that, they're always worth noting. And it also made new highs with increasing volume, and I'll point that out in a second. But real quick, if you missed my last video I did on this, all these annotations down here are from a while ago when I was doing it. And then I recently did a video on it after this day right here. So everything you see down here has been added. It's all old information now, but it's one of those things where you can go through it and kind of go through the history and psychology of the chart. You see these resistance areas break. This is just a classic example here of when I noted that there was a breakout, and you can see what has since happened from there. And now looks like about 100% move from that break. So just the power of playing breakouts and so forth. But for this one, video is not going to be too long or too spectacular. Just want to get things updated with this price action. Yesterday was just a good old-fashioned consolidation day. The price did pull back here, obviously, as you can see. But the key part was that this support area, it was resistance, but it turned support. That one did hold, and it showed that there were people down here that were willing to buy. And then by the end of the day, the price had moved up here and made its close right around the 006 area. So that was a good finish to yesterday. And clearly that carried into today. There was this little bit of pullback this morning, but from there the price shot right back up. So let me get this out of the way real quick. But you can see that the pullback had much less average volume than what the breakout day did have, and that's just classical, textbook, whatever you want to call it, volume action after breakout. That's what you want to see. Clearly, just profit takers. Now, if you had a huge red volume bar here, and that'd be a little bit more scary because that was showing, wow, there's a lot of people selling, but very much less selling. Just simple profit taking. And then today, here was an increasing volume. You had volume that was bigger than yesterday, moving upwards. And when you have this correlation, increasing price with increasing price action, that's a thing of beauty and what you want to see. So where does the chart stand now? Well, we have what I'll call ideal support level, and all that means is ideally it'd be great if this 0.0084 level could hold. But if it doesn't, not the end of the world, because the price did close right up around that area. The next support level after that one is pretty much just right around this price congestion area. We'll say 0.007, 0.0072, right around there. The James Bond level, we'll call it, right around 007. And then from there, because the price has been moving up so much, it is creating some kind of gaps in terms of support levels. But there is another one hanging down there right around this area at 0.0055, where kind of the bulls found support these past couple of days. And then we still have this trend line down here. Ideally, I'd like to see this level hold at the least in any sort of pullback. But if it doesn't, like I said, you still do have these support areas down here. Overall, though, a good day. If it keeps going up, I'd like to see increasing volumes with that. If it decides to go sideways or pull back, obviously you want to see less volume. So like always, keep your eye on that volume, and we'll see what happens. But a good day. Congratulations to all, and also congrats to the people that noticed the low volume and were able to pick up some shares down here before the move up. If you do have any other questions, please shoot me a message. On another note, I'd encourage you to check out bullmarketnewsletter.net. If you go there and sign up for the emailer, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting really nice reviews. And with your subscription, you'll get all sorts of things, trade ideas, chart setups, from penny stocks up to big boards. So a good variety, no strings attached. It's all free, and we've been making some good money, so it's worth at least checking out. Once again, this was GRDO Incorporated. Thanks for listening.